Ever wondered how to make the perfect Madras curry? Well, curiosity has led you to the right place. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Indian cuisine to unravel the secrets of this South Indian specialty. So buckle up for a culinary journey that promises to be as rich in flavor as it is in history. First things first. To craft the perfect Madras curry, we need to gather the right ingredients. The heart of this dish lies in the unique blend of spices. We need coriander seeds, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and fenugreek seeds. To add that fiery kick, we'll need dried red chilies. For the aromatic base, gather some fresh garlic, ginger, and onions. And of course, we can't forget the star of the show, the meat. Traditionally, Madras curry uses mutton, but feel free to substitute with chicken or beef if you prefer. Now, onto the cooking process. Take a thick-bottom pan and heat it over a medium flame. Toss in the whole spices, coriander, cumin, mustard, and fenugreek seeds. Let them sizzle and pop, releasing their intoxicating aroma. Once they're toasted, grind them together with the dried red chilies into a fine, fiery powder. This, my friends, is your homemade Madras curry powder. Next, it's time to build the base of the curry. In the same pan, sauté finely chopped onions until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Add minced garlic and ginger and let them mingle with the onions. Now add the Madras curry powder. The heat from the pan will unlock the complex flavors of the spices, and the kitchen will be filled with a rich, tantalizing aroma. Now comes the star of the show, the meat. Add it to the pan and sear it until it's nicely browned on all sides. This process, known as browning, enhances the flavor of the meat and gives the curry a deeper, richer taste. Once the meat is browned, add some water, cover the pan, and let the curry simmer. As it cooks, the meat will become tender, and the spices will meld together to create a harmony of flavors that is the hallmark of a good Madras curry. And there you have it, the perfect Madras curry, ready to be served with steamed rice or warm naan bread. The process might seem intricate, but the result is worth every minute spent. It's a symphony of flavors that sings the song of South India, a dish that's as rich in history as it is in taste. So the next time your taste buds crave something spicy, aromatic, and deeply satisfying, remember the Madras curry. It's not just a dish, it's a culinary journey. A journey that begins in the bustling streets of Madras and ends in the comfort of your own kitchen. And who knows, it might just inspire you to explore more of the rich and diverse world of Indian cuisine.